Feels a lot warmer out here. It's like a lot warmer. It's only 3 inches wide, you know, the eave shrimp.
Yeah, just need.
We gotta smush it out.
We need the pancake
to get the angle we want.
Whatever they call it. Oh,
pancakes. Oh, they're on the pole barn. Just walk through the woods. Chill. Probably faster though.
Faster walking on the road.
No, this is definitely faster. These pole barns right there. Oh. Here we go. This was pancake. Alright, go back. It's way too hot. Styrofoam. Oh, is it sticky back?
Oh.
Ooh, it is. Cool. Okay, this
Okay,
is
yeah,
not what I was expecting, but yeah. It's not pancakes. Yeah. You see that? Definitely not pancake head. That's pancake.
I should go check that list. Maybe.
We gotta find pancake screws then.
I'm sure.
Find something that'll work.
I should look for metal roofing. They probably have it like
In metal roofing.
also new.
Yeah, that kind of stinks. You can't do anything. Each room has to go on, has to have pancake screws, and then the roofing has to go on top of that. So we're kind of stuck. That was loud. Probably. The brakes always rub when we go places.
They only don't rub when you don't go places.
It's true. Alright, no pancakes, but roofing nails. And that's 3/4 of an inch, so. Hey, we've got little marks on here.
Wait a minute now, so if we do that, we have an exposed edge. How does that work?
What do you mean?
It covers it. It meets it.
3/4, look at that. That's it.
Then you want to notch it probably.
Notch it. Why?
So you can bend it without.
You don't think it'll fall?
I mean, like,
we got snips here.
I think you want to notch it. Do they show it in the book how to do it? Or was that on the video?
That's probably in the video. So that's probably going to be a problem.
Well,
That needs to be cut. Man, look at that. It's even got lines on here, so you can get it lined
yeah,
up.
here we go.
Isn't that crazy?
Here it is right here.
This step-by-step installation specifically covers eave trim installation for an exposed fastener panel. In this video, we will cover...
We get a piece up. It's almost noon. It's all up. It's only 12:28. Put up 6 pieces of trim. Very speedy. Just finished up lunch. Grab the caulk guns. We're gonna need those for the sealant on the inside closures. Trim. We can still do nails. Just do it above it. Doesn't have to be that low.
True. Just has to be parallel. Has to be parallel to the eave. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Well, I'll make this one first.
Well, this one actually has like lines to the bottom of it.
We could just.
Well,
Well,
not
you
really.
could just do this. We have that as a reference.
Pretty roof over there.
So
Nice straight
I'm
ridge
gonna
beam.
go-
Hey, there's somebody here. Hi. Yeah.
Well, I can mark it.
Almost fell off the roof. It can't be right.
Well,
How could that
it's off.
possibly be
It's
right?
off by the half tape measure. So it's still, and that's right where it is. All right.
Mostly we just wanted this footage from the EMTs. Alright, I got it. Dude, it's heavy with that stuff on there.
One of us needs to be looking at the lines.
Okay. Alright, it won't fall through. That's great. It looks good to me. Did I move it?
That's about right.
Good? Oh, good, good, we good.
All right. Well, you can just do that then.
First one up. 38 more to go.
Well, first one's not up yet.
Well, okay, first one's partly in, then 38 more to go. Yeah. Time this panel like that. And then down we go!
We need a barrel.
We need a barrel. We need a barrel full of bricks. Alright, here we go. Sitting in the attic. Ready, Santa! Uh-oh, metal. You ain't got it like got it. I let go, okay. Some real caulk.
You can't really see it.
That's a caulk tube with no nail in it. So that's gonna work well. Even though we only have 2 hours, 20 minutes before it can start. Yeah, we should get that. We can get that and maybe another half on this side. If we're lucky. We got civilized. Got a real harness. We just gotta figure out how to attach it. Okay. Now if I hook it on. Don't need to yet. I can't fall. Guess I can't fall very far. I could actually.
Out of my reach pretty soon here.
Yep. Just changing shoes on Perlins. All about safety here. All about safety. We got safety harness now, so at least I won't knock you off.
There.
Whoa.
What? Worse?
No. They don't move when you don't stand on the screws. That's pretty crazy right there. Oh, just like walking on the floor. The safety harness is awesome. You can actually like move around quite easily. Yeah, it doesn't move. These shoes are pretty crazy too. They don't slip like the other ones did.
Alright, it's out of reach.
Already?
Yes.
Okay. This one I'm going to cock over a little bit further because it's getting pretty bad. Very edge of the building. Where it gets risky. Look at that. That's a beautiful thing. All you can see is the mic though. There, that's better. Alright. Twine thing? Yeah. This one isn't straight. You probably can't. So, where's the microphone? Turning. There. See? It's not quite straight. It just slightly curves that way. So we're going to do a string on this side so we don't do that again, hopefully. It's kind of nice up here. I mean, I'm 16 feet off the ground, but it's still pretty comfortable. We don't know yet.
No, where's 10 feet? You want to go on the inside. The pros do it.
Well, it's 3/4 of an inch exactly to the edge of this 2x4. So if we just rock it at 3/4 over there, and that'll be our line.
Could do that. I was thinking about putting it inside.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, it's pretty. Oh, yeah. That's so cool. Anyway, thanks for watching. This is probably the end of the video. And I'll see you next time.